Hello everyone! I would like to show you my project game conditions Labyrinth. And you see I changed the color of background. I like green color. And I changed sprite. You see this is an elephant because I like elephants. And I used sprite Indian girl, used butterfly and 1, 2, 3 flowers. And in this project, you will listen the Indian music. Let's start it. If sprite is key pressed up arrow, sprite set direction 0. Sprite move 7 steps. If sprite is key pressed down arrow, sprite set direction 180. Sprite move 7 steps. Sprite next costume. Yes, I used costumes, butterfly costumes and Indian girl costumes and elephant costumes. For example, sprite Indian girl. I'm a winner! Oh, I hope you like it. And you see my Python code. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.